Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to block an email address in Gmail on your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just open a Gmail account. So this is my Gmail account. I have a lot of Gmails where I'm receiving. So I just want to block some kind of email. I don't want to receive any types of mail. For example, some kind of advertisement or any types of things means I cannot able to read, or I just want to remove that kind of things. What I have to do here? So simple and easiest way to remove and eliminate all the things. So I just choose a email ID which I don't want to receive the mail. So just click here. You will find a mail ID which is not necessary things in your things. So I just choose the emails which is not needed for my things. So in my right hand side corner you will find a 3 dots option. In a more options, just click here. There will be a replay, forward, and there will be a block. Amrita career portal is there. So I just want to click here to block, means automatically it will ask you be careful with the message, you are blocked and no reply Amrita. So unblock sender or report spam. So I just want to click unblock sender so that I can block the things or I can unblock the things. So block this one. So report as a spam means automatically it will move into a spam. So that I just want to click here to see that where is the files will be stored over here. So just click here for the spam. There will be a Amrita career portal will be displayed over here. So I can just open and check whether it is there. I can able to unblock this sender also. So similarly I just want to choose any types of mail and I just click here for the details. What are the email details? So there will be a unsubscribe option will be there. So once you click unsubscribe option, so do you want to unsubscribe this PDF thing? So I just want to click here for the unsubscribe. So it will ask you for unsubscribe the mail IDs. So you can able to choose according to your need to get into your mails. What are the mail you want to receive? That one you can restrict that. Otherwise you just want to block this one. Just click here the 3 dots option to block a PDF Devendran by PDF. So email ID which is you shared or block this one, automatically it will be blocked from your ID. So I just click here for the block PDF. So it will show you report as a spam. Automatically it will move into spam folders. So I just click here for the spam folders. I can able to check it out. So I just click here for, I just want to unblock this one because this is not a proper thing, means I just want to unblock, or I just want to click here for report not spam, means automatically it will move into my inbox itself. So similarly I just want to click here to unblock sender. I can give, means the sender will send all the messages, while I just want to block things as well as the receiving the mail, means I just want to click here for the unblock things. So report not a spam option if I give, means automatically it will move into my inbox. So similarly you can able to check what are the promotions. If you don't want to give or unsubscribe this one, just click here to check it out and there will be unsubscribe option. So whether you have given a lot of website your mail ID, so that the mail will come to dump your inbox. So you just click here for the unsubscribe option. Automatically it will ask you, do you want to stop the getting the message from the academia? So just click here for the unsubscribe. Automatically this will be unsubscribe from the mailing list will be displayed over here, so that they are sending the mail also it won't receive you in your mail ID, it won't dump your inbox. So this is simple and easiest way to unblock or block or unsubscribe or subscribe your email, so that it will be easy to free your entire emails. So use this option to block or unblock or unsubscribe your mail, so that it will be easy to receive your official mail ID only for your communication purpose. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.